All right. After a bit of a hiatus, we are back on the Pierre Cardin Evolution. Woohoo! Back in the saddle again, boys. Sorry, that was my water bottle. I'm dying. Okay, that's much better. So, getting ready to pull the distributor out because a lot of our issues are ignition related, and this thing's got a lot of end play, and it's nasty and crusty, and there's goop and oil under the cap, and it's a whole lot of not fun. So, that being said, it's not exactly the easiest thing to get out of the car either. Let's see if we can get, there's the hold down, and that little blurry, there he is. That's the nut I gotta loosen up. Enhance. No, focus on what I want. There it is. You can see the threads. No, focus. Damn it. Anyway, you get the idea. So I get the rest of that out, and we get to go from there. Oh, look, now you can see it. Shocking. All right, so to get in there to our lovely little, oh, it's hard to see it. Come on, baby, where are you? There it is. See, I have a socket. It's a quarter drive, shallow 1/2 inch on a 12-inch snap-on wobble head extension going into my long handle fine gear wrench ratchet for doing bits, actually, but it has a quarter drive adapter in it. So we're getting it, which is good. That's a positive sign. Not easy to get to, not easy to see, not easy to film. Nothing's easy. Scotty's easy, I hear, on weekends, but... Oh, and he's coming to Atlanta Wednesday through Monday morning, boys. So if you're in the Atlanta area, Scotty is on the move. Yeah, toot toot beep beep is right. All right, so we got everything loose. Not exactly going smoothly because our hold down's a little stucky-uck. So I gotta try to fish it out, get it up and out of our way. Back in here in our electrical, I love how somebody decided to do some vampire clip nastiness here. This is gonna be one of those cars that's gonna require the wiring diagram. And of course, don't forget we have to do booster master. That's coming up. That's later. That's far later in the program. So, vampire clip hell needs to come out. And then we gotta get our hold down clip out. And then hopefully I'll actually get this damn distributor out. All right, finally got our hold down tab out, which was act of Congress at this point. Got our distributor out, and yeah, boys and girls, that explains why our timing's jumping around. Gee, it just times itself wherever it wants. That's cute. Hey, Scotty.
That's me.
Oh, well, hey, Xander.
Hi.
Look.
What?
It's like infinitely adjustable timing. That's not good.
I don't know much about distributors, but I can tell it's probably not supposed to be like that.
No, that is El Broke-did. Go put that on my desk. We get to go fish for non-existent distributor fun. Yay! Yay! Yeah, it's like a club. All right. He's said ooga booga. That's funny. So there's also coolant in there. That's cute. Yummy. All right, we get to figure that mess out too. Fun.